let's go ahead and go in and see what the inside has to offer. Dutch door, just like the majority of the camps we build, so it's split. And then common theme, everybody seems to like these big closets up towards the front, so this has the big double closet. And all our cabinets come with these soft close hinges. And then down below we have 2 giant drawers. Makes it really nice for storing clothes and different things there. Let me go ahead and close this door to get the glare off. And you'll have your convectional microwave, stainless steel freezer and fridge. Tons of room in these. Very nice setup. And you have your Humphreys gas light, your monitoring system, your tank heaters, as well as your lighted storage and your water heater. And then more storage up ahead with your stainless steel range top. And then tons and tons of counter space in this one. And then this is where the layout differs from some of the previous videos you've probably watched. This one's going to an older gentleman that really wanted a lower bed, not planning on sleeping a lot of people. So we did a lower bed for him with a dinette that will also fold down into a bed. But really turned out nice. Love the layout of this one. It's super roomy, especially in this 102-inch camp. Just gives you lots of interior room. He also was kind of going with a Western theme in his color choices. So he added this little feature just to give it kind of that look that he was going for. Just a little personal touches. But big bench on this side with lots of storage. The bench also flips up, storage under there. And then lots of storage above the bed as well. This one will get the TV. All your hookups and everything will be on this side, so it's set up for all of that. And then you have your dinette set up, which also has these benches that lift up with lighted storage. This is an access door for your winterization. Makes it extremely easy to winterize and do all of that. And once again, tons and tons of counter space in this one, and even more storage. So big double sink, household faucets, and then just, yeah, lots of storage. But I really love the way that this one turned out. Like I say, it's a very spacious floor plan, really neatly configured. I've got another one that's coming up here in the next couple camps that'll be very similar to this one in layout, other than it will still have the trundle bed with the upper bed but have the dinette. So stay tuned for that, and I'd be happy to show you that. While we're here, I guess we'll check out this bathroom. These are for all your interior lights and exterior lights, and then an access for your water on the back side of your shower. Dirty mirrors. You've got your exhaust fan, and then lots of counter space and storage for your vanity. Porcelain toilet, and then your glass shower. Stainless steel fixtures. But overall, very nice camp. Like I say, really happy with the way that it turned out. When he come and spec'd this camp out, he wanted it to be the best camp that we've ever built. And I can tell you that every camp that we build is the best camp that I've built to date. And so as we put out, I mean, like I say, every camp that I build, that one is the best one that I put out. So we're always improving, always progressing. But yeah, this is an extremely nice camp. And as I take you and show you the outside. You'll see some of those features that he added that really make this an exceptional camp.